is me again. I am Mary Jane Dormis, studying at ASCA. And this day, I'm going to share with you how are we going to determine if that equation is a function or not. And then we will recognize if it is injective function, bijective, or
Now,
surjective.
we will talking about relation and function. First, let's define what is relation. It is correspondence between two values x and y, which can be written as a set of ordered pairs, which is x and y. So just like here, example. So that is our domain, which is set of all x. Well, this is range, set of all y. So let's proceed. So a relation can be set of x of the function. It can be represented in table, just like this. The relation in graph, here. And then relation in mapping diagram, here. That is relation in mapping diagram. And also, this is our coordinate, which are the x coordinate and the y coordinate. Let's proceed. How about the function? So what is function? So it is a relation from a set of inputs to a set of possible outputs, where each input is related to exactly one output. So the graph represents a function if it is impossible to draw a vertical line that intersects the graph more than once. So how are we going to determine if that graph is a function or not? So we just test it by vertical line test, just like this. We draw a vertical line test at this graph. So as we observe that it hits only one point, so it means that it is a function. But if it hits 2 points, so it's not a function. So by number two, it is also a function, the same as this. That is all. That's our example of function. Now we have properties of function. What are those? Such as minute-to-one function, one-to-one function, or injective. Minute-to-one means onto function, one and onto function. But mostly we have three properties of function, such as bijective, surjective, and injective. So here's the definition. In injective or one-to-one function is a function that maps distinct elements to distinct elements, that is f x times x sub 1 is equals to f sub 2 implies x sub 1 is equals to x sub 2. So while in bijective is a function between the elements of two sets, where each element of one set is paired with exactly one element of the other set. Is paired with exactly one element of the first set. On the surjective, it is a function if that maps an element x to every element y. That is, for every y, there is an x such that fx is equals to y. It is not required that x be unique. The function f may map one or more elements of x to the same element of y. So let's have some example of injective, one-to-one, bijective, and surjective. We're going to set an example of injective, which is one-to-one. So let's say we have 1, 2, and 3. This is our x set of all x's in our domain. And we have A, B, and C. So if this x coordinate connects to this y coordinate, letter A, same as this, so that is called one-to-one function, one-to-one injective function. So now, well, and in minute-to-one, let's say we have 2, -2, 0, 1, and in the y coordinate 2, negative 1, you have negative 1. So if this x coordinate connects to negative 2 y coordinate, and negative 2 connects to negative 1, and 0 connects to negative 1 coordinates, this is a positive. Connects to negative 1, and also the 1x coordinate is connects to negative 1 y coordinate. So that is called many to one function. We will know why this is not a function. Let's say we have number let's say the example of one to many, not function. 2 connects to 2 coordinate, to y coordinate, and 1. And then our x coordinate 0 connects to 1, positive 1, and 1 connects to negative 1, have negative 1 element in x y coordinate. So that is called one to many. One to many. Well, many to many is, we have example, we have 2 connects to negative 2, 2 and 1, 0, negative connects to positive 1, 0 to 1, negative 1. So that is called many to many. So now, if we are going to graph an example of injective, this for example, f of x y is equals to x plus 1. 5. So what did you observe? So that is injective function. If we are going to draw horizontal line test, because if we are going to know if it is one-to-one or injective function, we will use horizontal line test. We're going to draw a horizontal line. It's only hits 1 point. So it is an injective function. Through testing it by horizontal line test. So now we're going to graph the bijective function. Example of this, we have an equation: y is equals to x squared. So as we have observed, as you can see, it is a quadratic form. Or if we are going to draw a horizontal line, how many points will be hit? Say there are 2 points. So if that in case, it is bijective. It is bijective function.